How to deposit money on Fliff. In this video, I will show you how to load your Flip account safely and easily, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Fliff app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your wallet icon at the top or the bottom navigation bar. Step 3. Select deposit or buy Fliff Coins. That depends on your region. Step 4. Choose your preferred payment method. There are options that may include like debit card or credit card, Apple Pay, Google Play, or gift cards. Step 5. Enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Step 6. Once you confirm the transaction, your balance will be updated instantly, and then you can start playing or redeeming prizes. Step 7. If you are in a region where real money deposits are not allowed, Flip may limit you to promotional points, so always check your local regulations. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.